We will look at DBFS, the Databricks file system, a distributed file system built into Databricks. DBFS lets you store files and data within your Databricks workspace and provides an interface for those files to be accessed programmatically. When you upload files, such as CSVs, to DBFS, they are stored reliably and can be used by your Spark job or notebooks. Files in DBFS can be accessed using paths like DBFS/file stores, and you can use utility commands to manage file, list directories, and load data directly into data frames. Understanding DBFS is essential because it is the storage layer that bridges raw data and your analysis workflows in Databricks. Throughout this course, you will get hands-on practice with uploading files to DBFS and querying data stores in it.